All right, guys. My bad, y'all, for the horrible. Um, I'm gonna probably hang my clothes out there, but yeah, man, I'm about to do laundry. Here's my apartment. It's a nice, cool little getaway. I got my key today, so she said I could choose. So I'm gonna get y'all to choose for me. I don't know what this is, but fuck it. But my workstation gonna be over here. Big old bed. Y'all know what I'm about to be doing in this bed. Oh, and this bed is soft too. Oh, nigga. I ain't gonna lie, when you young, you better get where the old people at. If you know what's good. Now this is an old little rickety dresser, which I really ain't gonna use. But we got the mirror going on. Okay. Got the little closet thing going on. I got me a little TV, a little flat screen, some debris on it, but you know, we good. All good in the hood, you know. They charge for electricity, but whatever. Got my table. I can do some business here. Do some shows here and stuff like that. But yeah, man, $280, not gonna lie. Could be better, but I don't give a damn. Got me a little kitchen, man, nigga. I can make coffee. I think I can burn rice all day, nigga. I'm gonna use this. So these kitchens here, they're not like Western kitchens. Obviously, I don't know what to put here, but they didn't know neither, so they just, you know. But you did. Got me a little fridge. I'm gonna be eating out for the most part. You know, I'm black, so we're gonna leave this little light on. It's just black people do it. We leave lights on and shit. You know, but this is what I needed. We're gonna be washing big clothes in this motherfucker. Got me a little bathroom and stuff. Now I wish I had a balcony. That's the only thing. But we're gonna be going nice places while we're here anyway and stuff. So, and I wish I could close this window. Maybe I probably can. But here's the bathroom. Now, what's weird is that the shower and everything is a part of here, but okay. You did. I don't think, there is a light here. I don't know where it is. It's probably out here. Boom. Boom. There we go. Okay, so one's for the air conditioning and one's for the light. So when you gotta take a sweaty shit, you dig? So hey, I'm not complaining. It's still better living than a lot of people. This is fucking big for Vitien, to tell you the truth. So I'm actually getting a damn deal, old furniture or not. You know, we don't get paid this much to be having all these damn lights on. Okay, I got an outside light too. That's dope. Yeah. I get used to a little place like this. Just, kick back, and do a couple of vlogs, man. So what y'all think? We're gonna make a choice. Y'all gonna help me make this choice. It's either gonna be upstairs or downstairs, But I like it because I'm at the end. So if I do want to make noise, only one person can really complain if I'm being loud and stuff. I actually had a dream of this place before I even lived here. So, this is so freaky. We're going to do another podcast about that. But yeah, man, this is home sweet home for now. Y'all come holler at me, man. It's player talk.